When solving equations with fractions, we can multiply each term in the equation by the LCD. Like here, our lowest common denominator is x, or LCD is equal to x. So we can multiply every term by x. So it's going to be 7 times x, 5 over x times x is equal to 5, x plus 3 over x, then times x. So we've multiplied every term in the equation by x, and then x divided by x is 1, x divided by x is 1. We remain with 7x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 3. And we can remove this bracket, so it's 7x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15 after distributing the 5 there. And then we can say 7x transpose 5x becomes negative 5x is equal to 15, then transpose 5 minus 5. So 7x minus 5x, 2x is equal to 15 minus 5, 10. Divide both sides by x, x is equal to 5. Okay, it's fine. It's applicable. X can be 5. Remember, when it's fractions, your denominator cannot be 0. So for this fraction, our x cannot be equal to 0. And for these equations, x cannot be equal to 0. And then on this one, the LCD is 2x. LCD is equal to 2x. So we multiply every term in the equation by 2x. It's 3x plus 2 over x times 2x. Then plus 5 over 2 times 2x is equal to 3 times 2x plus 6 over x times 2x. Okay, then x divided by x is 1. We remain with 2 there. We can say 2 times 3 becomes 6. 6x plus 2. Then 2 into 2 is 1. We remain with 5x is equal to 6x. And then x divided by x is 1. We remain with 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay. And then we have 6x distributing the 6 plus 12 is equal to 5x is equal to 6x plus 12. And then plus 12 this side, we cancel each other out, because if we transpose 12 to the left hand side, is going to be negative 12. Then positive 12 minus 12 is 0. Even 6x minus 6x is 0. 5x is equal to 0. Okay, because let me do the transposing here so that you can see where the 0 is coming from. 6x minus x plus 12 minus 12 plus 5x is equal to 0. So all this is 0. Then divide by x both sides, so it means x is equal to 0. But can x be equal to 0? No, because if x is 0, this become undefined, so x cannot be equal to 0. So this one, there's actually no solution. The LCD here is equal to 6x. So we multiply 3x minus 2 over x times 6x minus 5 over 2 times 6x is equal to 2 over x times 6x, then plus 1 over 6 times 6x. Right, x into x is 1, we remove 6. 6 times 3 is 18, so it's 18x minus 2. Then 2 into 6 is 3, so negative 5 times 3 is negative 15x. And then is equal to x into x is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Then 6 into 6 is 1. We remain with x. Right, then we can remove this bracket by distributing 18. That's 18x minus 36 minus 15x is equal to 12 plus x. Right, we can collect the like terms there. 18x minus 15x, this is 3x minus 36 is equal to 12 plus x. Can subtract x from both sides, becomes 2x is equal to 12 plus 36 is 48, and x is equal to 24. Yes, x can be 24. That's the solution. And then the last one, the LCD is 15x. LCD is equal to 15x. So we multiply 2 over 5 times 15x minus 3x plus 2 over 3x times 15x minus 1 times 15x is equal to 4 times 15x minus 30 over 15x times 15x. And then now we can say 5 into 15 is 3. So 2 times 3x, that is 6x minus 3x into 15x, that is 5. Then 5 times 3 there, that is negative 15x plus 2. Then minus 15x is equal to 60x. 15x divided by 15x is 1, so we remain with negative 30. So we have 6x minus 15x minus 30 minus 15x is equal to 60x minus 30. This negative 30 and this negative 30 will cancel each other out. And then we remain with 6x. Negative 15x minus 15x is negative 30x is equal to 60x. Negative 24x minus 60x is equal to 0. Negative 84x is equal to 0. Divided by negative 84, both sides, x is equal to 0. X cannot be equal to 0 because these fractions are going to be undefined, so x cannot be equal to 0. So again here there's no solution. No solution.